Welcome guys to the first ever video on YouTube. Cozmo, what do you got to say to this? Come on, what do you got to say to this?
Very good man.
Okay.
A cough, that's all I have to say. Good luck. Let's do this. Let's go.
Go. Oh yeah, okay, what come on, what votes? What do we got?
My screen is lagging.
Volcano.
I'm okay with that. I'm happy.
Yeah, me too. Volcano's good. Guys, vote for Volcano, but just don't do it too much.
I lost my sprint ability.
Oh yeah, come on.
Be
this guy, come on. Ah, he fell up. Okay, I'm green team, what are you?
I am
not green team.
Blue.
Again.
Feeling a little blue.
Oh yeah, okay, come on.
It was a quality joke, you can't even.
Yes, everyone laughed at that joke, quality joke. Kid, what are you doing?
Everyone did.
I like this
one
kid.
of my pieces.
I like this kid.
I can speak.
Bro, this kid, I love this kid. He's got a sandwich skin.
Thick accent.
Yeah.
That I don't have.
Yes.
Block placement 100.
I got a kid on my team, he's a sandwich, and it makes me happy. Thoroughly cannot be any more excited at this point. Is that you in the center?
I'm doing my quick little circle run around, and then I'm going back. Quick run, go. Looking at it, I have full gold, and I'm happy.
No, you left me! Dude! Okay.
You're welcome.
Well,
You're welcome.
whatever this other team is, it's just gonna be a slapping. Kid, come here. Come on! Yes! Haha! Did I get him? Yes, I did. He fell off. Rip. Oh, your team.
I just took damage from a 2-block high jump.
Me and Subs are both on here. He's just about to kill me. Well, not really.
Subs?
No,
yes.
Subs ain't gonna kill me. Your teammate. The teammate's in my way. The mumble jumble of the words.
I got like a girl in a onesie on my team.
I kind of have one.
When you go into the shop and you just forget what you were gonna buy.
Dude,
Quality content.
Quality content, guys.
Yeah, Cozmo Carrot is on a killing spree. Who's this fella?
Okay, coming in the center.
Freaking idiot. My team almost killed me. Is that you? That's not you.
No, that is not me. That kid stole all my gold. I'm gonna kill this kid though.
I have such yellow's bed.
Haha.
If your favorite color
is
yellow.
I killed this guy. It makes me. Oh no! Someone on your Someone on your team's just about to kill me. No! Blue team's coming for my base, bro. Come at me.
I've lost.
This kid was this the kid who killed me before? I don't know, but he's thoroughly annoying.
Please fix. Sorry, it's my biggest request. This guy is my average. Just.
Can I kill this man off your team? He's thoroughly annoying me. We're kind of just doing a slapping battle at this point. I kind of have no use in. Oh, there's a red team, and it makes me angry.
Garlic, you keep getting killed by my team.
No, I just killed him, and he had such good stuff on. I think he's so annoyed. Oh.
Listen to the Cozmo. See, I've lost the ability to run. I'm severely disadvantaged.
Okay, I need some more gold for diamond sword, but thoroughly ready
is Subway guy, is he a VIP?
No. Dude, get out the way. Dude! I hate it when your team just doesn't trust you. Oh, baby. Oh, here's this kid again. He's so annoyed.
I keep trying to buy iron armor. I mean diamond. Instead of iron. Got it right the first time.
Oh.
I'm so, disadvantaged with this bad sprint.
Look at my entire team. Look at them. Like ants. Just like ants.
This guy knows that he can. Is he going for my bed?
You better stop him.
Yes, he is.
You better stop him. What's up, dude?
I can't sprint. That's the problem.
Stop complaining.
How I feel.
Cozmo. Knockback stick.
I don't know where
Give me a decent sword. Okay, let's go. I'm ready for battle.
Is he just gonna run around constantly?
I do like that.
I've got the ability to sprint again.
Oh, that makes me happy.
Oh yeah, boy.
Get some
Sprinting
snowballs.
like I was destined to do. I'm getting tag teamed.
Some people probably. Okay. Some people are very
My
probably.
screams of peril. This
Okay.
person is going to kill me.
Oh, put that there. There's like a turf war thing going on here. Oh, I'm gonna come Oh, who's gonna win this?
Oh,
Run! I'm gonna support you! No! No! I'm gonna run! I shall avenge you! I shall avenge
My
you!
frail body.
I don't have anything yet. Ugh. Yes.
Oh yeah, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, he ain't gonna survive.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah, wait, hang on. We need a safe place. Do you have everything?
Yeah, I do. Oh no. I'm missing helmet and feet.
Okay, I'm just gonna watch this guy for a minute. Okay.
Just drop it. I'll watch you.
There you go.
I've got a diamond sword.
Oh, well, it's yours now. Very sad. Oh, there's you. I don't know what... Wait, what is this kid doing? Is that a red guy? No, who's up there?
I don't know, but he's gonna die. Come to me.
Oh. Extreme.
He fell to 4 damage! Dude. He died of 4 damage.
Don't mind if I do.
I just know that battle's not gonna...
Dude.
Did I already kill that guy?
Dude, like...
Oh yeah, Cosmo character.
I'm collecting so much things, eh?
Yeah, I hate it when your inventory gets... Oh my god, red team's coming in.
Come on, let me pick all this up. Damn it!
Ends.
Damn red team.
Watch out. I think there's a red team headed for your base.
He's trying to win, but he lost. I need to empty out, but there's iron here that I thoroughly want.
Garlic, you beast.
Come on, give me this iron. Yes! Is it just... Okay, no, there's more than one. Okay.
I'm watching your teammate because I think he might kill me. Okay, there's a guy over here.
I need to empty out my inventory. Oh, they've almost used all this loot here. Oh. Oh, for a first game. For a first game. Not gonna lie, not too bad.
This is not a first game for us. We've played many a game.
Yes, but like,
yeah.
recording?
A first... Huh. I had no use for going for that guy. I just couldn't. Not because I want to.
Because we can.
Because I can't.
Okay, thoroughly think I'm... I hate it when there's just so much loot you want to get.
I think I'm the only person on my team. Okay, they all left.
Yeah.
I'm in the center, by the way, all alone.
Yeah, I'm here. There's a kid who's going
So
for...
you go
There's a
like
kid who's going for someone's bed.
You almost killed me. I hope you're aware.
Oh, tis very sorry. Oh, and he died. Okay, I put a vote in to execute red team.
I put a vote in to just, you know.
This kid. Haha. Bye, dude. He just walked.
Green team headed for my base.
Bye, dude. Look at this kid. Come on. He knows. Yeah, he knows. Yeah, get rid of this.
Went for my base. And
You
just
don't. Yeah,
turned
you
around.
don't need.
Okay.
This kid's going for someone. Oh.
Nice.
I went full like 8 mode on him. Oh, did something. I heard. I thought you were dying. It might have been. Oh, red team's coming back for the revenge.
I've scared your team. They don't want to be in the center.
Red team is so annoyed because I keep breaking their bridge. Wait for them to come across. Come on, come on. Yeah, come on. I'm gonna throw some blocks. Just to tease them. Come on, dude. Come on. You're gonna have to do better than that. Thanks, dude. Okay. Jesus! Oh. Did you win?
I died.
You died?
I died.
Did you get your stuff or did you fall down?
No, we both fell. Like, he just turned around and smacked me and just pushed me off. I'm sad, but like, now I can fulfill my dream of destroying Red Team.
Copy, breakthrough. Breakthrough.
This person's giving me iron and I feel feel happy.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, the team that's been the most annoying so far.
The fella. Yeah, is Red Team.
It's Red Team.
Yep, I have to admit the same thing. They're just so annoying.
To be honest, I think it's your team because they keep on going from my base, but you know.
For me, it's just Red Team. They keep just going in, sneaking around. I don't know what this kid's doing, but he's just about to die doing it.
Watch out, there's someone behind him.
Oh, that guy. Oh, it's gonna.
Back me up. We're gonna go get Red Team.
Okay. Tis following.
Oh, damn it.
It's just potion effects.
Oh.
You good?
I didn't see the time. 30 seconds.
Oh, hey, you want some? Watch out! No, watch out! Don't run, just run. I can't even stop him. That's the sad thing. No, he's following you. Watch out! Watch out! He's following you. Did you respawn? Yes.
I'm still alive. It will be worth
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna get you some gold, guys. Place.
I'll meet you
Yellow
at
place?
the front of my room.
This kid's trying to sneak around. Good luck, bye. Goodbye. Go away. No, he's friend. Can I break the block below? Did he leave? I think he left. Okay, I'm coming.
Pass it to me on the bridge. Go.
There's another 2 if you want it.
Do you mind if I kill that teammate of yours?
I don't care if you kill any of the teammates. Thoroughly. Except for this one who's pretty chill. Yeah, she's in like the onesie. Yeah, she's yeah, if you just, you know, bow down or whatever.
Did you just say bow down if you bow down?
Yeah. Or crouch, you know, bow down, crouch, same thing. So I don't know what red team's doing right now, but I'm going over to the base. There's like one person on red team and they see me. Sup, dude? You remember me, don't you? Hero, buddy. It's he got ready. He got ready to fight. He had so much stuff on him, and he just died thanks to me. Oh, it's just your.
Oh, I thought I honestly thought you just died.
Nah, Chiz still alive. Oh,
like
that was a bit scary. Not gonna lie.
When you realize Yellow Team got killed like really early on and nobody noticed.
You know, that's right. This girl here, she's pretty cool. She gives you iron. She's pretty cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She give you iron.
Okay. I'm pretty chill.
Yeah, that is the chill one. She's behind you.
She's pretty chill. Yeah.
Yay! We all made friends.
Would you like some free gold?
Oh. You like boosted me.
What?
Okay, I'll leave you.
Confused.
I want to know.
Let's chill at Yellow Base.
Okay.
Bro, Yellow Base is actually pretty chill.
Should we enchant our armor or something?
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay. Oh, I hate you so much. I saw the.
The only reason I wanted to do that is because because I knew with you there I couldn't do what I'm about to.
I want to know
Let's
what
steal your signature move. Hold on a minute. Watch me.
I can't find you. Cosmo car. There you are. What are you doing? Oh,
Cosmo.
I hate you so much. What are you doing? What is my signature move? Oh, okay.
I've never done it, okay? The viewers does this all the time.
Yeah. Don't just say that it's the first time you've ever done it. Tis what? Yes. Yes. She's not even gonna do it. You didn't do it right. You gotta be the last person. Kill me. She's She's too nice.
Wind. Just give me home.
You're not the only person left. Actually, are you? No, it'd be a duke
Oh,
out.
is there another?
Yeah, there's more than just you left. There's someone on your team left. Okay, can confirm. This is my signature move when I'm just about to win. If I'm not that triggered or annoyed.
Yeah, you always. It's not triggered. Depends on what mood I'm in.
Yeah. This is a face of many beautiful things. Just not. Just not. That's all I gotta say. I don't know.
Here we go.
Other
I've
blue.
explained it to her.
Other blue. Let's jump into the void and give green team the win. Oh damn. Okay, when I do it, it's not this confusing.
Yeah, because you always send it. No, is she actually going to kill her? Because I want her to have the win. No.
Mind the block.
No.
Yeah! Good match, good match. Do it. That's right, guys, do it. No, she gave you the sword! No! You're supposed to win the game! No.
I'm shaking.
I know, she doesn't understand. Type it in the chat. That's what the chats are for. For communication. Communication. Hello. Kill me. Take the win.
It's like that kid in that meme. Shoot me. Please do.
She won't do it, she's too kind-hearted.
I'll do it myself.
Oh, damn. Oh, from my angle, it looked like you actually tried. Oh.
No, I did not try.
GG.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Jeez, man. Oh.
I made the first jump.
Oh. Someone started. Oh. Someone did that.
Didn't even get a lava bucket.
Something. Lava. This.
How many chests up?
I got a water.
Okay. Would you like a lava bucket?
I would love a lava bucket right at this point in time. Oh, thank you. There's probably a reason why. Okay. Making people's lives difficult.
This guy's a narwhal.
A narwhal? Hey, legit, he's a narwhal. Oh god.
Dude, I'm not trying to kill you, it's just the way the world works.
It's just business, guys. Bye, dude.
It was just business.
It's just business, guys.
See, us lava boys, we don't. I've got an itchy head.
Thanks.
You're welcome. That water almost killed me, that would have been...
And he got no clue what's coming. Oh! Someone else is here.
You're on the wrong side, my friend. Oh! I don't even know what happened. I died.
Oh.
Did you?
No.
You're the last one on the team.
Oh god. Oh, the kid saw me. The kid.
Run. Just
Kid's
run.
trying to.
You're dead.
It ain't the easiest thing in the world. Lava!
And they all jump into it. They're all just jumping into it in celebration. Yeah, if he saw one, I didn't even take notice.
Red team. Damn it. Fine.
Teams on the same side.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I got one. Oh, someone's trying to do what we were trying to do.
No one. I didn't get a lava bucket. I didn't even get a water bucket. Like, my team, they're basically just like mosquito.
What? Oh, I'm so annoyed.
I don't know what just happened.
I found out who's doing all this lava.
Give me a lava bucket.
I found who's doing all this lavaing. Come at me. She almost killed me too. Come on.
Oh!
Me and you. I finally found a worthy opponent, not gonna lie. Did she die? I don't know. Didn't get to catch her name tag.
Where did my lava go?
I'm eating beets right now to heal myself. You know how annoying this is?
Currently in the lava.
Okay, come on. We need...
I'm going to die.
Justice must be served. Not gonna lie.
All my stuff would have just flown everywhere over the red map.
Oh, what am I doing? Oh, why am I on fire? Everyone, I saw that. If I die right now, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh, I saw that. Is this all your stuff here?
Yeah.
I just collected it, and I may die. 1 heart. Come on. Blue team's here.
Blue team's here.
Uh-oh.
He's got TNT.
Is he following me?
Someone on my team actually tried to kill me and fly. The last one on your team, I hope you realise.
Oh.
Hide behind the back.
I gotta crouch.
I know.
I have beats to heal myself.
Oh no, someone's coming. They're all coming.
I'd like to see them try.
I'd like to see them try.
Look at they've just realized, one person's just realized the lava. That makes me so happy. Oh, it's killing someone. Oh, the water's gonna ruin it, not gonna lie. Dude, come at me. Okay.
You just boxed yourself in, I hope you realise that.
Strategic. I don't know what this kid's trying to do. Oh no, he's trying to get around me. Oh, that kid made it up. Bye, guys.
You left the destruction.
Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! I was trying to... Damn! I was trying to jump off, right? Because I had my token in spawn here, but someone put lava there.
Bruh.
Like, we just...
Sky.
Who's...
A team, but...
team? It's just
Good,
what
good. Notice how there's only one other person on my team.
Oh god. Oh no,
Damn
you died. I need a lava bucket, I need it now.
No, she lava bucketed me. Dang it! I don't know what she's trying to do. I tried to lava bucket her, it didn't work. There's only one person on my team. It makes me sad. The person survived.
Shall be a very fast game. Help someone leash it over there. Dude, I need
my god.
I need that lava bucket.
Oh, good play. Here you go, good play.
Did he?
My team is like holding in the
Haha, yes. Come at me. Haha.
You can hear the peaceful Minecraft music over Discord. Whoa! Oh yeah, she's dead. Epic.
Beautiful.
Oh, there we go.
Well, this is gonna wrap us up for today. I hope you guys think we're good. Yeah. Think we're good. We are good. I hope you...
You know, like, that red button down the bottom.
Yep.
I don't think it's a button, I think you're supposed to click it. I don't know what it does, but you'll never know if you don't.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Click it once,
guys.
not twice.